Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find new sellers on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find some newer sellers because the ones that are really popular, you tend to get outbid. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto Whatnot, and then depending on what type of product you like shopping for, I would like to actually go ahead and search it up. So let's take Pokemon cards, for example. So if we search up Pokemon, we'll find Pokemon cards as a category. Now go onto the right hand side, and then on the top hand side, you're going to see a filter that says new and noteworthy. What this tends to show you are new sellers who aren't so popular, so that perhaps you stand or have a better chance at getting a deal. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find new sellers on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.